Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the on-screen control that keeps volume accessible. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. Once there, turn on Assistive Touch or the equivalent overlay. You add volume controls to the top-level menu so they appear as buttons. Make sure to position the floating button where it won't block content. Once done, tap the overlay to reveal the volume up and volume down icons. You can press them like physical buttons, and they stay on screen until you disable the overlay. Next, refine how the on-screen volume behaves so it's practical. You drag the floating control to an edge or corner to avoid covering essential app controls, and set opacity so it's visible but unobtrusive. Make sure idle timeout is set to never or a long interval if you want it persistent. Also map gestures. Assign single tap to open the menu and double tap to toggle volume quickly. Once configured, test in multiple apps to confirm the placement and responsiveness work for your routine. Finish by testing the overlay in real situations so you know it performs reliably. You should try it with the screen locked while streaming media and inside apps to verify consistent behavior. If the button disappears, first re-enable Assistive Touch or the overlay, then restart the device. That resolves most glitches. If problems persist, check for app-specific restrictions or a recent system update that changed overlay permissions, and adjust settings or update apps to restore the on-screen volume control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.